Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start learn. You are watching my spoken English practice series. I hope you all are doing well. So in the previous video I talk about social media platforms, and in today's video I will talk about benefits of social media in today's life. And in today's era, social media is very important for in everyone's life if we use it in positive way. So let's start. The benefit of social media is connection. Social media connect us with the friends, family and relatives who live far away. So through the social media we connect everywhere and anytime by messaging, by audio calls, by video calls. So in the era of social media, distance does not matter now. So next benefit is learning. So through by using social media we learn new things, new skills. Students watch educational videos and they prepare for exams, fight their exams and make their career, get their jobs. On the social media we watch educational content, we watch motivational talks, we watch skill oriented content. So and learn so many things on social media, and use social media to empower our skills. It may be anything like spoken English like me, because I am also using social media to empower my spoken English, to empower my confidence building and to empower my communication skills. So many things are there to learn on social media, and so many other things like basic etiquettes, basic body language and so many things. Next benefit of social media is entertainment and relaxation. So after a busy day and a hectic day, everyone needs to relax. So on the social media we watch funny videos, we watch comedy videos, we can watch short reels, we can watch movie clips for and feel happy and stress free. So it help us to relax after a busy day and after so many works completing. So it help us to entertain. And the next benefit is job opportunities. Some platforms like LinkedIn, on LinkedIn we can find companies, job recruiters and professionals. Here we can discuss about our job and career opportunities and find a job. And on the social media we learn so many skills and get our work through social media, earn money through the social media. Next benefit is business and income opportunities. So social media is a very important for small businesses, because small businesses promote their product on social media and scale and expand their business. And so many youngest and entrepreneurs nowadays doing online work through the social media, and they earn money by YouTube, they earn money by using Instagram. So many creators are there now. So all the creators, influencers and YouTubers are earn money through the social media. So social media is the best income platform also. And most important thing, that is on the social media we can share our opinion, we can share our thoughts, we can share our feeling freely. So social media give us a voice, and here we can feel free without fear, without hesitation. Like me, I also record a video every day and speak in English and share my feelings and whatever I have in my mind. I speak in my videos and upload on YouTube. So social media is a platform that gives us a voice, and here we can share our opinion and we know about others' opinion. Next one is confidence building. On the social media, we watch so many things and we share our thoughts, we speak in our videos, and then we speak in our videos, then slowly we become confident by sharing our opinions, by sharing our thoughts, by learning new things and learning new skills. We become confident gradually. So social media help us to become confident and help us to become person to personality. Yeah, social media is a very good platform. If we use it in positive way, then it is amazing platform. So social media also save our time, because on social media so many influencers, so many YouTubers, and so many content creators content update information what's going on our in country, what's going on our in society. So we aware of that things, and we save our time, because earlier we waited for TV, we waited for newspaper for any information, but now we find everything in our mobile phone and we save our time. And one more thing, that is social awareness. Before this era of social media, we don't aware of anything about social awareness and about what's going on in our country. But nowadays we get all the information and we aware all about issues. It may be political issues, it may be religious issues, it may be educational issue, whatever it may be, and it may be social issue. Then we aware all of that, because everyone talking about social issues, everyone talking about religious issues on the social media. So all these benefits of social media, beside this and apart from this whatever I talk in this video, so many benefits are there on the social media, but I listed some of them. Be careful and use social media wisely, because it is very amazing platform and it is very beneficial for us and for our future, for our career. So it is amazing, and use it wisely. If we use in negative way, then it will be very dangerous. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's start learn, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.